Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're going to be making fried cabbage, sausage, pepper, and onions in our cast iron skillet. So let's get started. Okay, let's get our pepper and onions and red peppers out of the way. And we'll get our green onions out of the way. And now we have our cabbage here. We're probably going to use half this. You know, it's a pretty big one. So we'll just go ahead and cut it in half. Pretty big one. Alright, we'll save this half for later. Now we're going to have to core this out. So we'll just take our knife, slice down like that. Make sure we're all the way in. And it should pop right out. Just like that. Alright, now we can turn it upside down, just like that. We can cut it in half. And now we're going to cut it up. We can just chop it up, go all the way around, nice chunks. Just like that. And we'll do the same to this one. Get a nice sharp knife. It goes right on through. Alright. Now what we need to do is we need to put all this in our pan. Okay, we'll set our burner to medium. Add some oil to the pan. Let that heat up a little bit. Okay, our pan's warmed up a little bit here. Now we're going to add our sausages. These are smoked, so they're good. Hey, there you go. And we'll cook them a little bit here. Get them to where they're starting to release some of that good flavor. So that they release some of the flavors into the pan. Makes good sense, huh? Makes it taste really good too. This is a traditional type of a cabbage recipe. I mean, you can do almost anything with the cabbage. I remember, you know, back in the day there when my grandmother used to make cabbage, and even southern fried cabbage, and all kinds of good stuff. She added all kinds of seasonings. There's a lot you can do with cabbage. Okay, they're about done here. Alright, we'll get them out of the pan. Lower the heat for a minute. Get them back out of here. Put them in the bowl. Okay. Okay, now we're going to add in our peppers and onions here. Give them a quick stir. Let them get some nice flavor with that sausage that was in there. Okay, now we'll cook them for a little bit here, and then we'll get ready for our cabbage. Okay, they seem to be good. Now we'll just put them back in the bowl. Yeah, I don't want to overcook them. I want to keep them kind of, you know, a little bit crunchy. Not much, but a little bit crunchy. That way when we add it to our cabbage, it won't fall apart on us or anything. Okay, now all we have to do is put our cabbage in there. Okay, let's get some of our cabbage in there. It's a lot of cabbage though. Don't worry, it'll cook down. It's a half a head of cabbage. Like I said, that was a big cabbage. There we go. Get that down in there a little bit and start it cooking, and then we'll stir him around and break him up better. We're going to add half a cup of chicken bouillon or chicken stock, whatever you have. Just like that, and we're going to cover that and let that cook a while. Maybe about 5 minutes or so until it reduces down a little bit and things start to get soft. And then we'll add our vegetables and our sausage. And it should taste pretty good. And then we'll start seasoning it up. Okay, let's give it a check. See how he's doing here. That chicken bouillon, that smells good. And it's mixed in with the sausage. Smell? It smells good. It smells good already, and I didn't even season it. Well, you kind of did, because the seasonings came out of the sausage. You know, and a little bit of the oils is mixed in there. Okay, let's cover that back up. Let it cook maybe another 4 or 5 minutes till that reduces down a little bit and gets a little bit softer. Okay, let's see how we're doing. Now we're going to leave the lid off for a little bit here and let some of that evaporate, some of the chicken broth. And when that does that, we'll start adding our vegetables and seasonings, and it should be all done. It smells really great. I wish you could smell that. Okay, it looks like most of the liquid's evaporated off, and it really looks good. So, okay, we're going to go ahead and add our vegetables in here. Peppers, onions, green peppers. Put them right in there. Well, that's starting to look really good. Okay. Now we're going to add our sausage. Plenty of that, so let's put that right in there. Boy, I wish you could smell this, because it's really tasty smelling, and I didn't even really season it yet. I sure hope you're hungry, because it'll feed quite a few people here. All right, let's let that go a little bit. Now, I think we're going to, I don't know if we're going to put too much salt. We'll put a little salt, a little bit of pepper, some garlic. I like garlic, so there you go. And we'll add a little bit of onion powder. And let's give that a little stir. Okay, that looks pretty good. A little bit of smoked paprika. Yeah, I like that smoked paprika though. That's really good. We'll put a little more of that in there. And we're going to cover that for a minute, just a little bit, maybe a minute or two, and let everything come up to temperature, the meat and everything that we put in there, the sausage, and it should be all done. Okay, it's been about a minute or so, and I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce right at the end here, make it taste good. And we'll cover that again for about a minute. Okay, it's been about a minute. I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of green onion. And we can put that on top after we serve it up. Alright, let's shut our burner off. Yeah, look how good that looks. You know, you could actually just serve right out of that skillet, put that right on a board in the middle of the table and just serve right out of there. I think that's what I'm going to do. Man, does that smell good. I can't wait to taste that. Boy, does that fried cabbage look good, doesn't it? With the sausage, pepper, and onions in there. Hey, we're going to add a little bit more of the green onions. Just a little bit more. Make it look nice. They taste good too. So there you go. Yeah, we just got to have a little taste. We got to get a piece of sausage. Boy, does that look good? Here, take a little look. Yep. Oh, wow. You can taste everything in there. You can taste the onions. The little smoked paprika on top makes it nice. And you have the chicken broth that was in there mixed in. This is very good. It's an old style recipe. A tried and true favorite, really. You can just put anything you want in the cabbage. It's really tasty, and everybody likes it. Everybody would like this. Now, I could have put a little bit of butter in there with it at the very end, but I don't think you needed it. Wow. Let me try a little more sausage. Oh yeah, that's delicious. Really delicious. One of the green peppers are done. They're done nice. Yep. Everything's so nice. Okay, guys. There you have it. Fried cabbage, sausage, peppers and onions. Green peppers, red peppers, onions, and green onions in there with all that good seasoning on there. It really tastes good. You're going to love this one. Here, take a closer look. Look at that. Isn't that good? You know, this time, I not only lost my drink, the wine I poured, I don't know where the mouse went. So, that just, that just sounds normal in this kitchen.